ये देश है दिलों का मत वाले यहाँ रहते हैं मिट जाए
Ini langsung. Cái này để quay bỏ là. Oi, टिकल गया ना?
बनी किथे?
Hey, what do you say about the Independence Party of the? Excellent, very nice. Hey, say hi. Say hi.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to celebrate India's 77th Independence Day. Before moving on to celebration, we would like to put a light on 15 August and say a couple of sentences on why this day is important. 15 August is not just a day in calendars for Indian. On this day, we put tribute to the countless sacrifice made by our freedom fighter back during colonial rules. As we reflect upon the journey that led us to this day, we are reminded of the ideals of peace, unity, and diversity that have always been at the heart of our nation. Today, at Aida Stella in Crew Mess, we would like to dedicate this momentous occasion to all the crew members on board. As planned party of celebration, we have arranged a small program starting with playing our national anthem and followed by cake cutting ceremony where we would request our chief guest to do the honor. So please, maybe the captain, yes. And we'd like to request the HR and the chef to stand over here for national anthem. So we'd like to request everybody to be silent as we want to play our national anthem. Thank you.
गणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
So now we would like to request the captain to do the honor for the cake cutting ceremony.
Yes, I just want to say one thing. Thanks a lot to invite me for this, and honor. It's a pleasure really to stay with you tonight for this really important day for India. So thanks a lot, and please, someone of you can join me to cut the cake. Yes.
Hey, bye. ब्लॉग कर रहे हैं ना ब्लॉग
हिंदुस्तान हमारा